Build back. Okay, today we're playing Build Battles. As you can see, I'm happy. How do you show a mo game? Happy. So first, what we're gonna do? Draw a smiley face. That is how you do it. That is how you show happiness. And after that, we're just gonna put like natural happy things. That isn't him playing on a computer. I know I'm evil, but hey, this okay. That was beautiful. I can play this. I can play this game. Trust me. I can't. Okay, so we're just gonna do 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 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 yeah. Random noises. Yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just gonna. Yes, that was pointless. I know. But then we go 2 up. And there it is, the good old happy face. Oh God, no. Thank God. I feel like they shouldn't be on the same level. I don't know why. It just makes me happier when it isn't on the same level. Watch. If I just delete this, it looks perfect now. Okay, never mind. I lied to you all. Oh, this is not a good idea. He's got outlined this. No. What am I doing? I'm not live streaming. Okay, nope. We'll draw a happy face later. Right now, we got to build this good old happy man. Trust me, he's gonna be happy, not sad. He's gonna be happy. Trust me. You gonna trust me on this? Out of here. Okay, now to make the mouth and the eyes. And as you know, this is a smiley face. So we just gotta make it all black. That sounds racist, I'm sorry. I'm just going to make his eyes black. That's how you say it, yeah. Okay. And okay, does it look good? Like this or like that? Yeah, definitely it's better like that. He looks like he's shifting his eyes. Probably should do that. There we go. Now it looks happy. Okay, now we need grass because we are going to make this environment that is so ridiculously. Now we need bone meal. Bone meal for life. Now we're gonna make everything like everything is right in the world. Like Trump never been elected for president. Yeah, we're just gonna make like that. Make everything beautiful. Beautiful, my guys. Everything is happening. The birds are chirping. We need saplings. Saplings, I tell you. We need the oak trees. I know I'm drawing one slot. No, we gotta do this. When people said happy, everything must be beautiful, my guy. If no one is happy, then the world destroys. I'm kidding. That's not how it works. Hello? I hope, there we go. I really hope that was not me lagging. Please. There we go. I guess we just gotta place it, destroy it, place it again. I didn't even place it that time. I am the best player in the entire world. Trust me! See? That's how you do it. Everyone's happy. That dude's smiling. The birds are chirping. Just need more trees. Oh yeah. More trees. And this is beautiful. I don't know. Oh yeah, we probably should like. Okay, so we need water. I need water for reasons. Trust me, this is gonna be the greatest thing ever. I cannot build a waterfall in 30 seconds. If I'm gonna make something out of this, sorry things you must go. You must go. 20 seconds. Everyone's gonna be happy, smiling, And we got 10 seconds. This is beautiful. Let's have a glimpse at what other people have built. Everything's yellow. I think he just made a gigantic smiley face. But I don't know. He probably did just make a gigantic smiley face. Is he the guy next to me? Is that? Oh, yeah, I probably should give it a good. He wasn't next to me. This guy was definitely next to me. Watch. Yep, he was next to me. Let's go. This is freaking me out. Okay, but this is freaking me out. Okay, so we got 2 stuns. Good. I'll give that a good. This is mine, everyone. I love it. Don't you give me that poop. Wow, everyone's so mean. Super poop? This deserves a super poop. This is I'm just sad mostly. What? This guy does not look happy. It looks like someone's holding a gun to his head. Okay, I see where you're going with this. You did not finish it. I'll give you a poop though. What? This guy does not look happy. He looks like he just murdered. Okay, he does look happy, but that is there's the happy we want. He's good. He's happy. The birds are chirping. Why do people give me poop? I don't know. What? That is beautiful. Epic. I got 5th place. Of course this guy will win. That is a GG to you, sir. This build is absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at him. Okay, so we got one more game. Okay, apparently I just got to throw us in there because I have no right in the world. Am I right? Am I right? This ain't America. Hand, hammer, donut, trampoline, shell, donut. Give me them donuts. Hammer. That works too. Okay, so we need wood. So we're gonna get oak, cause life. And let's just get black. 2, and let's go. Go. Worst hammer you all have ever seen. Watch me. I may have got 5th place last time, but people still gave me super poop. Why? Why did you people give me super poop? I feel so disappointed, but you know, we just gotta build a hammer. We gotta crush things, so we gotta build a hammer. So we're gonna make it 3 by 3. I think that's a 3 by 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 by 3. 3 by 3, boys. Give it a good 3 by 3 handle and a ridiculous mallet that makes no sense whatsoever. But that's just how Bed Wars works. This isn't Bed Wars. I am so used to saying that. I'm sorry. I played Bed Wars on my free time. This ain't good. But you know what? We just gotta do this and upload it to YouTube. That's how life works. You know what? Now that we got the mail done. Now we just need to build a handle. So first of all, just make it as stupid as possible. If you make it dumb, everyone will vote for you. Trust me, that's how life works. If everything just makes no sense, they will vote for you. Trust me, that is how logic and humanity works. Trust me, this will work. Let's see how dumb that looks. Now it looks beautiful. Now it looks beautiful, man. That looks beautiful. Beautiful. I can build. Beautiful. Okay, so yep, that is the best hammer. That actually looks like a sledgehammer when you actually look at it. I'll be honest. And now we just gotta do this. Gotta do that. Need a hammer because I do not know what a hammer looks like. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I am messing everything up. Golly, we should probably get a nail. No, I need nails. If I get nails, then everyone will love me. I am probably making this like the worst build everyone has ever seen. Okay, hammer was not a good idea. Who voted hammer to be the build? This ain't good. Look at this beautiful hammer. It's probably looking up at something. Okay, you know what? I got this. Got this. I'm gonna make someone this hitting a nail. This is gonna be great idea. Master Zoe left. I'm sorry, Master Zoe. I was recording a video. Trust me, it's worth the time and patience of recording a video. And we got this part done. Now you will not touch it. And now we need gray. Gray! Light gray is perfect. Yes, this is going to be perfect. Now it looks like he's actually nailing something. It's going through. See, it makes him look beautiful. Also, there we go. Now I only got one. You know what? Perfect. This is how I imagine. This is how I completely imagine my build to look like. You might think it looks like a monstrosity, but this is the best build anyone has ever seen in their lives. Trust me. It's the greatest thing. And greatest thing anyone has ever seen. Go, and also I will sponsor my speed bridging skills. Someone sponsor me now. I'm a speed bridger.
You didn't put it in your folder.
Boom. And this is how you build. That other things were how you build? No. You just do it. Do it. It works. See? Tell me this does not work. No, I wasn't dashing that time. Okay. Works for me. Probably need to like jerk click. That did not work. Oh, there we go. Oh, that looks so cool. Dang it. That is how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you freaking do it, and I messed it up, didn't I? But still, that looked cool. No, I only have freaking so little time to break it. Oh god, this went horrible, and it's over. That is the best hammer I have ever seen so far, but you know, I only seen mine, so that ain't much. And you even gave it like good. So, best thing I ever seen. Oh, epic, my guy. Oh, the diamonds. Okay. I already locked this achievement. Okay, so you got nail things. Okay, good. Whoop, whoop. I cannot witness how ugly this looks. What? This is supposed to be. My eyes are bleeding. There ain't no hammer. This is good though. This is a good hammer. That one's good. Oh my goodness, it's so explosive. Okay. Okay, I mean the explosives. This is the best build ever. 10 out of 10! Please roll legendary. What is this? What am my eyes experiencing? No. You aren't even holding it! Oh my goodness, okay. That was so dumb. That was the most beautiful thing ever. Let's face it. Oh god. I got 10! Okay, that's it for this video, guys. I know it's 14 minutes long. I can only go up to 15 minutes, okay? Okay, so that's it. Bye.